When two longtime friends both build their favorite year car, favorite vehicle, 56 Chevy BelAir and a 66 F100. Both are engine swapped. The BelAir has a LS3 crate motor in it, and it's a 4L60E transmission, and the truck has the 10R80 automatic. Yeah, it's the mine has the Raptor crate engine in the 450 510 horse, where the 56 BelAir is the 430 horse, 420 foot-pounds of torque. And we both built these vehicles together. I helped him start to finish, and he helped me start to finish. We both did them just in my backyard, my tiny little shop, and a lot of the painting was done outside. So both vehicles were pretty much rotisserie restorations, where the bottom, underside, top, inside, everywhere was done. Chrome, stainless, trim. Both cars, two original, just the engine tranny swaps and tire, wheel, brake. The 56 here also has a interior upgrade. Got Dakota digital gauges in it. Has the GM computer, engine and transmission. On my truck, I chose the Ranger interior. It's not an original Ranger, but I went the Ranger route. Everything else is as it would have been delivered on a truck. Custom cab, of course, with the homemade gauge kit. Late model F-150 that I managed to put into the custom cab bezel. Mine is still not finished. I got a lot of loose wiring and whatever, but this gives a pretty basic idea. Showed a box on the 66. Here we have the trunk on the 56 BelAir. Pretty much every square inch of both vehicles are done. Finished with the chrome trim, pretty much exactly how they would have been in their respective years, 56 versus 66, so 10 years apart. And this is what his first car growing up, and my best memory is with my dad's 66 F100 he bought new in October of 65. Bit more of the 56 interior, just pretty much fantastic. Gonna get a little shot of the F100 emblem and the Ranger insert, which I made a batch of. Here we are under the hood, looking at the 56 BelAir with the LS3 crate engine. We bought the engines within a week or so of each other at the same time, and here we are now. We're both running and driving. They both have vintage air on them that we've added, and we just pretty much did everything on our own here in a little backyard shop. Get back to the, so here's a Raptor crate engine that I bought. It was a 1 of 5 sold by Ford Performance. And shortly after this, my friend Mel with the 56 was helping me take it out of the crate, and he decided that he wanted a new crate engine, so just a friendly little competition here of how they all pan out and how they work, and both ideal for each of us. So I guess now that we're having both on the road now after a lot of work, we're going to plan on having a little competition with have a draggy. We won't race together, but we'll have a draggy. We'll get some performance numbers for you and see where that takes it from there.